Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has announced the Indian Panorama official selection for the 56th International Film Festival of India IFFI 2025 and Manipuri documentary Battlefield directed by Barun Thokchom has made it to the prestigious list. The film will have its world premiere at IFFI in Goa from November 20 to 28, 2025. Produced by Manjoy Laurembam, Dr. Radheshyam Oinand and Vishwamitra Universals, Battlefield explores the lingering impact of World War II on Manipur through survivors' voices, while contrasting the remembrance of war heroes aboard with the silence around Manipur's ongoing humanitarian crisis. The film, featuring war researchers Rajeshwar Yumnam, was shot over 10 years and developed under MSF DS Imphal Documenter Lab in collaboration with Documentary Research Initiative DRI Kolkata. A total of 25 features and 20 non-feature films have been selected for this year's Indian Panorama, with Battlefield standing out as a powerful reflection of Manipur's untold history.